Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Kelvin here. In this video, I will show you how to use Tokenize Exchange to buy your favorite cryptos and what big. Not financial advice. I will tell you how to sign up, find your account, buy cryptos, then if you have paper hands, I will also show you how to sell the cryptos and withdraw your money back up. Finally, I will also give you some tips and tricks on using Tokenize Exchange. So let's jump right in. First up, when signing up, it's best to sign up with a referral link because if you sign up with a link, then make a trade of 1000 USD, you'll be able to get 2 TKX. Just in case you don't know what's TKX, it's basically Tokenize Exchange own crypto. Right now, it's worth about $9. So in total, you'll be getting about $18 worth of crypto. If you got a friend who has a referral code, just use theirs to sign up because both of you will get 2 TKS each. Otherwise, you can just use mine down in the description below. Once you are signed up, you need to do some verification or KYC. Otherwise, you'll be able to access most of the functions here. But first, let's change the UI to dark mode because it's CB white. Much better. As they say, once you go black, you never go back. Anyway, to do KYC, at the top right, click on the profile, click verification, then just verify yourself here. Next, let's fund the account with some money. At the top, click wallet, click deposit. Here, you can deposit either Singapore dollars or US dollars. Let me explain Singapore dollars first. If you fund via debit card or credit card, there's a godlike 2.9% fee, which is super duper expensive, so let's not do that. Next, you have StraitsX. If you blur and don't know what's StraitsX, basically it's just S first. They just suddenly renamed themselves into StraitsX. When you deposit HGD via StraitsX, there's actually a 0.55% fee. If you think that's expensive, well yes, but no. That's actually the average price when you use StraitsX. For example, on Binance SG it's 0.6%, CoinHako is 0.55%, only Crypto.com app is free. Next, swap from stablecoin. If you have HGD, you can convert it to HGD also. Next, I will quickly explain USD. The first method is bank transfer. There's no fee for depositing USD. You can also buy stablecoins from another exchange, then send it into Tokenize Exchange. The last one is swap from stablecoin. They support USDT, USDC, and DAI. Among all of these methods, the easiest and fastest way is to use StraitsX, but it will cost you 0.55% fee. If you want to avoid the fees, you can deposit USD instead. They have a step-by-step tutorial on how to deposit in USD, which I will link in the description below. But today, I will just show you how to deposit HGD instead. Make sure it's in HGD, choose StraitsX, then you will need to link your StraitsX account. This part is quite straightforward, so I'll just skip this part. Once you have done, click Request Deposit. They will give you the bank account details. So the next step is to transfer some money into this account. I'm using POSB, so I'll just show you how to do it in POSB. Mouse over transfer to other bank account fast. For recipient's name, head over to Tokenize Exchange, copy Express Private Limited, head back, paste it in. For recipient bank, mine show CIMB Bank Berhad, so I'll choose CIMB Bank. For recipient's account, head over, copy the account number, head back, paste it in. Choose the account which you want to transfer from, then enter how much you want to transfer over. I'll just try $1,100. Purpose of transfer can be anything, it doesn't matter. For comments, head over, copy the comment to payee, head back, paste it in. Click next, make sure everything is alright, then submit. Alright, the funds will arrive in just a few minutes, so just wait a bit Go eat some apple or something. Also, you don't have to keep checking because once the money arrives, they will send you an email saying that it has arrived, yeah?
A few moments later.
Finally, your funds have arrived. Now, let's go buy some cryptos and what big. To do that, go to Trade, Spot. Here, you will see some CB nice chart that makes you feel like you are CB Pro, like you are Warren Buffett Coco or something. Anyway, at the top right, click HGD to show all the HGD trading pairs. You can just choose whichever crypto that you want to buy. But I will just show you how to buy Ethereum instead. Okay, let me quickly explain the stuff here. The two main order types are limit order and market order. On the left side, you can buy crypto, and on the right is sell. Here, you can enter what price you want to buy Ethereum at, or you can use these three buttons here to set the price. Last is just the latest Ethereum price. See here, it says 5594. Is this price here, 5594. As is the current best selling price, 5610. If you look over here, is this price at the front of the sell queue, 5610. Then bid is the best buying price, 5593, which is this price at the front of the buy queue, 5593. So that was for the price. At the bottom, you can choose how much money you want to buy with. If you click 100%, then you'll be YOLOing all your money in. So that was limit order. Next, for market order, you can't set the price. You will just buy at the current market price. Whichever order type you use is totally up to you, but I will just use limit order. Okay, see these fees here? The trading fee for normal trade is 0.8%, yeah. Once everything is alright, just click confirm. If you have successfully bought the cryptos, you'll be under wallet, my assets. Then my Ethereum is here. Okay, let's say your cryptos have gone to the moon and you want to paper hands. The stats are exactly the same as just now, but you just click sell instead. Let me quickly show you how. Go to trade, spot, change to SGD, look for the crypto that you want to sell, enter everything, then just click sell, and you are done. So simple. Next, let's withdraw your money back to your bank. Before that, let me show you something. If you withdraw via StraitsX, there's a 0.3% fee, which again is a normal fee. Binance SG charges 0.6%, CoinHako has a $2 withdrawal fee, but it's not by StraitsX. Crypto.com has a 0.4% fee. For Tokenize Exchange, there's something extra. If you don't have a minimum of SGD $1,000 trades and you try to withdraw, there will be SGD $100 admin fee. So, for example, if you trade 1000 SGD, there's only the 0.3% fee. But if you don't have any trade, there's a $100 fee on top of the 0.3% fee. So just be careful, yeah. Don't anyhow withdraw if your trades are lesser than 1000 SGD, yeah. Okay, let me show you how to withdraw. To do that, click wallet, withdraw. Make sure it's in SGD, choose StraitsX. Choose your bank account, enter the amount. I want to withdraw everything. Click request withdraw. It says insufficient balance. Why, yeah? You see a bug? Here's why. If you withdraw everything, including the 0.3% fee, you will need 311.22. But I only got 310.29. So you need to calculate properly how much to withdraw. Once you are done, click request withdraw. Okay, that was a quick tutorial on how to use Tokenize Exchange. Now, I'll share some tips and tricks. First, Tokenize Exchange has a membership program. With premium membership, you can deposit SGD for free, buy crypto at 0.5% fee instead of 0.8% fee. But the premium membership costs 160 TKS, which is about $1,440 which I feel is super duper expensive, and it's not a one-time fee, it's an annual fee. Personally, I feel it's not worth it unless you use Tokenize Exchange a lot. Second tip, once you have bought your cryptos, you will just sit there, do nothing like a lazy bum. If you are worried that exchange will get hacked, you can just transfer it to a core wallet like Ledger. But otherwise, you can leave your cryptos online to earn some interest. Tokenize Exchange has an earn page where you can earn some interest on your cryptos. For example, if you didn't stake 100 TKS, you can earn 5% on Bitcoin, 5% on Ethereum, and so on, which is not too bad. Alright, so that was a few tips and tricks. Hopefully, you find it useful. Like, share, and subscribe as I'll be putting out new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.